If you're like me, you love staying in vacation rentals. You never even think about staying in a hotel. And if you're like me, a lot of times you've found yourself dreaming what it would be like to own your own vacation rental home. But it's a little overwhelming. Not only are you buying a home, but you're starting a business, which can add to the overwhelm you're feeling. You'll need to understand how to locate and buy your home. You need to understand how to do customer service and how to service your guests. And you'll need to understand how to market your property and how to get it listed so you can get and retain your guests. I've created this step-by-step, easy-to-follow course to help guide you through this very confusing process. With the Vacation Rental Profit Method Masterclass, I'll help you understand how to locate your home for success, how to know and serve your ideal guest, and how to market and list your home so that you get bookings and retain those guests year after year. So join us today for the Vacation Rental Profit Method Masterclass and get started today on your road to success in the vacation rental business.